Varshit. Next prize LKGC Kritika, first prize. Second prize Rahmat Nisha. Third prize Rutvika Devi. Next I invite. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Next I invite Mrs. S. Suma to distribute the prize. Second prize Mubindan. Third prize Prem Kumar. Next from UKGC. First prize Viha. Second prize Gopika. Third prize Sujita. Next from first standard A. Second prize Jiva. Third prize Mugila Rasan. From second standard B. First prize Hariharan. Second prize Rajamurugan. Third prize Harish Kumar. Second standard C. Next is second standard C. First prize. Second prize Swati. Sorry. First prize Swati. Again first prize Charvati. Sadhana. Sahana first prize. Sandhya first prize. Pooja Shri first prize. Rupika first prize. Then from third standard A, first prize Prashant. Second prize Prerna. Third prize Manobharati. From third standard B. First prize Sanjay. Second prize Saranan. Third prize Ajay. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Next time. Third prize Sandhya. From third standard D. First prize. Third prize Manoj. Fourth standard C section. First prize Sandhya. Second prize Arundhati. Third prize Arivikarasi. Thank you sir. Next I invite our Perumal sir to distribute. First prize Naveen Kumar. Second prize Gokul Raj. Third prize Ajay. From 5th standard B. First prize Dayanidhi. Second prize Praveen. Third prize Damodaran. Next to 5th standard C. First prize Darshini. Second prize Kirtana. Third prize Harini. Fifth D. From 5th D. First prize Sasikala. From 6th standard A. First prize Jana. Second prize Davaseelan. Third prize Gopinath. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite our Mayasam sir to distribute prizes. First prize from 6th standard B, Kishore Kumar. Third prize, Raj Kumar. From 6th standard C, first prize, Arvind Selvan. Second prize, Jayaselvam. Third prize, Devarasan. From 6th standard D. First prize, Edilarasi. Second prize, Sujita. Third prize, Divya. Next from 7th standard A.
இன்னும் முடியலடா
7th standard A. First prize, Santosh Kumar. Second prize, Rahul.
ஒன்னோட முடிஞ்சிடும்
Third prize, Anbil Purai.
சரிடா
7th standard B. First prize, Jeevan Kumar. Second prize, Pratap. Third prize, Manoj Prabhakaran. Seventh standard C. First, second prize, Satish Kumar. Second prize. Third prize, Arun Vasan.
தஞ்சு போட்டு வாங்கி பண்ணா கொஞ்சம் மொத்தம் இருக்கு
From 8th standard A, first prize, Raghuraman. Second prize, Raghuraman. Third prize, Rakesh. Next from 8th standard B. First prize, Vishwa. Second prize, Arun Raj. Third prize, Arjun. Next from it, second prize, Swati. Third prize, Jaypriya. From 9th standard A, first prize, Abhishek Bharat. Second prize, Kalayarasan. Third prize, Ajay. From 9th standard B, first prize, Akash. Third prize, Dinesh Kumar. Next from 9th standard D. First prize, G. Vigneshwari. Second prize, Shweta. Next from 10th standard A. Third prize Bhaskar. Next from 10th standard B. First prize Sudhakar and third prize Ranjit. Then from third standard C. Thank you, sir. Second prize Divya. Third prize Jayashree. Next from biology girls from 11th standard. First prize Devi. Third prize Saranya Devi. Boys from biology come here to the stage. Second prize Vinod. Third prize Bharati. From +1 computer science. First prize Santosh. Second prize Satish Ilan. Third prize Lavanya. From +1 Thomas. Second prize Pratap. Third prize Kirtana. Third prize Kirtana. First prize Preeti. First prize First prize. Seventh B Pratap. Second prize.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. District level. Again is Tirunavakarasu 110 hurdles. Third place. Third place in discus. Anandi third place in discus. Next week Kirtana Hamid first place. I am at first place. Kirtana javelin second prize. Tirunavakarasu 110 hurdles. Third place. Vetrivel.
Mathematical